Hello there tutor, I am Andres Martinez and I am making this video because I have some troubles and I don't know why I can't download some videos, in special in the class 10, 11, 12, 13 until the last one. So for that reason I want to record this screen because I want to show you all my classes and the time of my classes. So well, how we can see with the group A in English 3, well, I add to another students, to my students, and we are working with the chat. We have one class. We can see the time of this class. So the first class, this is with the second class, this is the third class, this is the fourth class, fourth class, the fifth class, the fifth class, the sixth class, this is the seventh class, the eighth class, the ninth class, the 10th class, the 11th, then the 12th, the 13th, the 14th, the 15th, the 16th, and I want to tell you that I did more encounters because I have some troubles with the internet, and besides I am in a presentation. I sent you a message because I was with the Ministry of Education because I won the forum, the national forum. So well, this is the last one encounter where, well, this three, excuse me, and this is the until one. So well, this is last, and this is again, this is those video are the last one with the test, with the speaking test. So that's it with the group A. So the same is with the group B. I want to show you how I work with them because, like I said before, I don't know why I can't download some videos. So well, this is one, this is two, this is three, or excuse me, the third video, this is the fourth video, and then this is well, this is just an interview. This is the fifth video, this is the sixth video, the seventh, the eighth, ninth, 10th, 11th, 12th, 13th, 14th, 15th, this is the 16th, and this is the test for the speaking. So the speaking test, excuse me. So for that reason, teacher, I did this recording because I don't know what happened with the last videos because I can't don't unload. So this is my evidence for you, and this is about my job. Like we can see, today is 88th November of 2021. So well, thank you very much and have a nice day.